I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clean, modern faded text effect in Canva, even if you've never edited text before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add your text, customize your font, and apply a smooth gradient fade that makes your design look professional instantly. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head onto your Canva account and click on Create right here. Choose any canvas size you want. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Text on the left-hand panel and click Add a Heading. Now let's change the font style. Just pick any font from Canva's free font library and type in your word. Now this next part is where most beginners get confused. To fade your text properly, select your text box and click on Text Color. A color tab will appear. What you want to do is click the color picker with the plus icon, then add the color you want to use. Once the color is applied, click on it again. Another subpanel will appear where you'll see both the solid color and gradient options. Go to the gradient section and click on the second color. This is the key. Reduce the opacity of that second color all the way down to 0. That instantly creates a smooth fade effect from full color to transparent, perfect for titles, thumbnails, or aesthetic layouts. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create a clean, faded text effect using Canva's gradient tools. Keep practicing, try different color combinations, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.